Okay, welcome to day one for science with our Vacation Bible School. We're going to look at an invisible fire extinguisher. So the story that you saw today was about Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in the fiery furnace. And God sent help to Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego and protected them from the heat of the fire. Now, we're not going to go into a fire. That's scary, right? But we are going to put out a fire in a way maybe you haven't seen before. So, what are some ways that people put out fire? Archer?
Types of liquid.
Okay. John, do you know?
Floods.
Floods. Okay, so using water, right? Okay. Garrison, you have an idea?
You can smother it so it doesn't have any oxygen.
Okay. All right, so do you see anything here that might put out a fire? Yeah, Archer?
Vinegar, because it's a type of liquid.
Okay, well let's see what happens. I'm going to light the candle. Okay. And then I'm going to put baking soda and vinegar together. It's going to fizzle up.
Ooh.
Oh, did you see that?
Well, I couldn't really see it because nothing went out.
Okay, so when the vinegar and baking soda mix, that's a chemical reaction. And so there's a gas called, does it smell bad? It's vinegar, the smoke. Okay, carbon dioxide is formed, right? And if you think about carbon dioxide and oxygen, carbon dioxide is denser, meaning the things, the molecules that make it up are packed more closely together. So when I poured the carbon dioxide over this, the carbon dioxide went down and that pushed the oxygen up. And what does fire need to burn, Archer?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. And so when we took the oxygen away, the fire went out. So what does that have to do with our story of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego? Well, fire is scary, right? And God protected them when they were in the fire. But if we think about it, God is always protecting us as well. But also, if we think about fire specifically, God was with the people who invented the fire extinguishers, flame-proof fabric, smoke alarms, all the things that keep us safe. So we have God helping the people that keep us safe, but we also know that God is with us all the time. And just like he was with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Okay, welcome to part 2 of day 1 science for Vacation Bible School. We're going to talk about some fire safety measures. So again, in our Bible story today, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were put in a hot fire. Fire is dangerous and can hurt us badly. So let's learn some things that we can do if we're ever in a fire. One of the things you can do is gently touch a doorknob with the back of your hand to see if it's too hot to open. Something else that you can do is to crawl on the floor underneath the smoke. A third thing you can do is what you've learned, stop, drop, and roll. So we're going to practice each of these things by doing a relay. First, you can put a starting mark on your floor for you to start. Okay, so I have Archer and Garrison. They're going to do the relay. So on your mark, get set, start. Great job, you guys.
Play a game today called Night Night Castle. It works a lot like Duck Duck Goose, but instead of saying Duck Duck Goose, you say night as you go around the circle. So we're going to show you how it works in case you don't know, and then you can try it at home. So our first person's going to be our marshal. It's called our marshal. She's going to be the first person to walk around the circle.
I'm Marshall.
Okay, come here. Now show us how it works.
Nice. Nice. I want to be Marshall.
Sit down, you might get picked.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Run, go get it.
Castle is to chase,
Grayson, this way.
chase Marshall around
This
the
way.
circle. Around
Go
this way,
around
go
this
around
way.
this way, go around this way. Fast, fast, fast.
The
She
spot's
didn't
over
make it
here.
yet. She didn't
Spot's
make
over
it
there,
yet.
good.
Gotta run. You gotta run
This way.
around till you get to that empty spot and sit down.
Aw.
And then, guess what? If you don't make it, you
You're
get to
it.
be the marshal. So show us how it works. Say night.
Night. Night. Castle.
Go, go,
Run
go.
until you get to my
Grayson,
spot.
run.
Until you get
Run.
to my spot. Oh, I'm about to tag you.
Aw.
Okay. So, keep playing at home.
And also have fun playing it.
And remember our call out for today?
Armor. Arm.
With, okay, let's do it one more time. Left arm.
Armor.